Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unhide posts on Facebook. So simply just launch the Facebook application on your mobile device and move in the right bottom corner option menu, scroll down and just find the settings and privacy, get in. After here you will just scroll down and just finding the your activity log, simply get in. And from here you will just tab on the top right is the activity history. Simply just get in and after loading, so you will be just tabbing in the filters section and just tabbing in categories all, and from here you will be just tabbing it your Facebook activity again, and here is the post option, and just finding the fifth option is post hidden from profile, just tabbing it as well. So from here these are the all unhide post. So whatever you want to unhide, just tap on it three dots and simply just add to profile. So in this way you will just have to unhide post on Facebook. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.